Hey guys, so just a quick little video on how I solved my broken latch problem on my bus. So if you have something along these lines or these lines, a couple things you can do is one, get new latches, or you can hop on over to the link in my description and grab these guys that I made. They're much heavier duty than these flimsy little things you can see side by side. They're way heavier duty. They still bend, they still do what they need to do, but they're heat resistant, so on and so forth, so you should never have any issues with these going down the road. So if you want to pick those up, cool. As far as how to get this stuff out, I'm going to give you a little tutorial here, see if I can get this straight and not to fall. So essentially, also before I get any further, one thing I did that I'm going to show you is I drilled holes in the sides of these where the meat is, and gave enough that way I could pull, and then I strung paracord down through there. So I'll show you how to do that. Pretty simple. So anyways, if you want to get these out, first of all, you just pop that out. Second of all, you can't get this out until you take this guy out. So you pull your springs. Sometimes they're stuck in there. Either way, you pull your springs, then you push it back through. Generally, you can pop that out. I use a pair of needle nose and just pull it out like that, and then you're good to go. And then that'll pop out right through there, and you are set. And this one I've already drilled a hole through. Let me show you how you get the paracord through here. So let's say you got a length of paracord. For this, I am using 5/32 paracord. These holes are a little small. You could probably drill them out just a hair bigger, but you don't want to go too big. So either way, you take your paracord out to the length that you want. Generally, I get about, I don't know, about a foot just to be safe. You cut it, and then you're never going to get that through this little hole. So what you do is, number one, you burn one end. You burn it, lick your fingers or don't. Kind of depends on what you want to do. Either way, just be careful. Burn one end. Other end, you're going to take and you're going to grab this, the inside stuff. You're going to pull that out and you're going to cut about 1/2 inch out. So here we go, cut 1/2 inch out, and then you're going to pull this from the end that you already did up to here. And what's that going to do is that's going to suck that in and allow you to get a nice tight. You can see right where, let me see, right there. You can see where it's a little thinner. So then you burn it again, and then pull that to a nice point. If it's a little big, you want it nice and uniform. So you pull it till it's at a nice point, like that, like so. There you go. And you take it and you put it in the hole. You can twist it through, grab your needle nose, and then pull it the rest of the way through there. You see, like I said, my holes are a little bit smaller, so this might be a little difficult. But once you have it through there, then how I would do it is reassemble it like this, put it through here, and this is basically just a safety in case that latch breaks again, so you don't got to pull out your freaking windows again. I know it's a pain in the ass. Nobody wants to caulk it. Nobody wants to strip any screws, so on and so forth. So you pull it on through here like you normally would. You might have to bring it back and forth a little bit. There you go. Pull it through there. You take your handy new one and you shove it down in there. And what you can do is you'll push it down in, and as you push, you'll need to bend this to where it makes a slight U-shape. I'll turn this on its side. So you push here so that this back end lifts up, and you're pushing it down into there. Let me see if I can do this. There you go. So now she's down in there. she's working great, right? So now you put your springs back in, push this forward, put your spring in, put your spring in, pull this back, and then you have a nice nifty working latch again. And then you can also tie this in a knot, and I would advise doing this after you have it in, not before. You got a nice nifty knot. If I can tie, I don't know where this one's going, it's getting stuck on something. Either way, pull it through, pull yourself a knot, and you can suck this through, pull it through, or you could just leave it like this. That's what I'm gonna do. And then you have a nice knot here that if this breaks for whatever reason, then you still have a way to open them, and you don't gotta fuck with taking it all off and redoing everything. So hopefully that helps you guys. There's other videos on my channel on how to take it out of the 4-window bus, so on and so forth. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed and liked, hit the notification bell. I don't post a lot, but whenever I do post, it's generally stuff that I can't find elsewhere on YouTube. So give me a follow. Hope to see you guys around, and appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. Thanks so much.